Certification process. Agencies must submit a certified MD715 report for the appropriate fiscal year to the EEOC through FedSep. The agency head and the principal EEO director for the reporting agency or subordinate level reporting component must certify that the agency has completed an annual self-assessment of Section 717 and Section 501 programs against the essential elements of MD715 and conduct a comprehensive barrier analysis. Please be advised that once the certification process has been completed, the agency will not be permitted to alter, modify, or make any changes to the report. To certify the MD715 report, either the agency head or the EEO director of the agency must log into FedSep. To check the status of the data submission, the EEO director should select the MD715 heading and then select the Home menu option to display the status of the agency's MD715 data submission. The status box is the third section on the page. Each of the boxes must be checked as completed before the agency can certify the report. A complete MD715 data submission includes the following steps. 1. Either the workforce data report appears on the MD715 reports page or the intelligence agency data is attached to the MD715 supporting documentation page. 2. All required plan data in the Part Forms section has been completed. 3. The agency EEO policy statement is attached to the MD715 supporting documentation page. And 4. The agency organization chart is attached to the MD715 supporting documentation page. If all of the required steps have been completed, the EEO director should see the certification menu option under the MD715 heading. Please click on Certification. Please verify that FedSep is submitting the appropriate part forms. If your agency needs to change the status of one or more optional part forms, click on Review Plan in the navigation panel. Then check the box next to the part forms and click the View Plan button to save the selections. The certification page should show the updated part forms. In Step 1, the EEO director must upload a PDF document of the agency's Part F with the signature of both the agency head and the EEO director. A copy of Part can be found on the guidance page. Part F, that is. To complete Step 1, click on the Browse button. Select the Part F file and click the Open button. Finally, click the Part F Certify button. In Step 2, the last step of the certification process is to click the Certify button. FedSep will store the MD715 report on the Reports menu option under MD715. Possible frequently asked questions. If the EEO director and/or the agency head are unavailable to certify the MD715 report, can the agency delegate that responsibility to another employee? Yes, the agency would need to change the role or remove the EEO director and assign that role to the employee. If the agency is unable to validate the workforce data using the Excel template, can the report be certified? No, it cannot. The agency believes that it has completed all the sections of the MD715 report, but the EEO director cannot see the certification page. What should the agency do? The agency should check the status of its MD715 report on the MD715 homepage. If the agency disagrees with FedSep's finding in the status section, please contact the EEOC's Office of Federal Operations for assistance. If the agency attaches the workforce data and the part forms on FedSep's supporting documentation page, can the agency certify the MD715 report? No. If the status section shows the agency has completed the parts supporting documentation and workforce data, but the agency has not certified the MD715 report, will the date of the submission be the date all required information was uploaded? No. The data of submission or the date of submission is determined by the completion of the certification process. If the agency is unable to certify the report, please contact EEOC's Office of Federal Operations for assistance. If an agency is unable to meet the deadline to certify the MD715 report, will the EEOC grant an extension? Agencies can request an extension, and the EEOC will decide on a case-by-case basis. After the deadline to certify the MD715 report has passed, will the agency be able to submit the report? No, the agency will not be able to submit the report.